Yes, all of you, please stay muted unless I call on you or you're announcing, but stick with me. I will call the attorneys first. Attorneys, once I call your name and you have announced, then you may go and start your conferring. You don't have to wait till the end of the docket. It's a large docket this morning. Once I call the attorneys that are present and on time, then I will call the rest of the docket. Those that don't have attorneys or haven't shown up, you'll have to wait until he or she shows up. So, okay. Good morning to everyone. Let's start off with Simon Rawls. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
What's your case number?
My case number is Parker Nicholas. Let me pull the case number up, Judge. It's case number 688-473, Judge.
688-473. Okay. You're way on page 8, the last page. 688-473, the very last case. Haha. You're here for Randall Griner?
No, Judge. I'm here for Parker Nicholas, Judge.
I understand, but this shows Randall Griner as the attorney of record. Have you been hired or what?
Yes, we have, Judge. Mr. Nicholas texted me he can't, or chatted he can't hear. So that's I'm not listed as the attorney of record on that.
Now, on this docket, you're shown it's Randall Griner appointed, but that's all right. I'll show you as hired. And your client is Dean Nicholas Parker.
They have his name wrong. It's actually Parker Nicholas.
Is he here?
He is. He's having audio issues though, Judge.
I'm sorry?
He's having audio issues. He chatted that he's having.
He can wave at me or raise his hand up. All right.
Hello? Linda, make me co-host, please.
Yes.
Hello?
I show him present. What are you doing this morning, Mr. Rawls?
We want to confer, Judge.
You are number 1 to confer. All right, next attorney. I don't see any hands. Let's see. Ivan Barrera.
Morning, Judge. How you doing?
I'm well. How are you, sir?
I'm doing all right, Judge. I only have one this morning. It should be an add-on or a recall from last week when you were out. Cause number is 679-611.
679.
Judge, I didn't do it as an add-on, sorry.
679-611.
That's correct, Your Honor. And the name is Robert Ramsey.
Spell the last one.
It's R-A-M-S-E-Y.
Ramsey, okay. What's he charged with?
Judge, he's already on probation. This is just a hearing on a motion to modify the conditions of probation.
All righty. We'll try to get on with it as soon as we can.
Thank you, Judge.
Next attorney. Let's see some hands or something.
Ingo Key.
Okay, here we are.
Morning.
Pardon me?
Good morning.
Good morning to you. How are you?
Okay. I'm on page 7.
What's your case number?
688-395.
I got you. You're on the last page too.
Yes, sir. I need to confer.
I thought you were. No, you're not. Let's see.
Page 7, Judge.
Yeah. And that is Amaris Herrera. Ms.
Yes, sir.
Herrera, who are you? Amaris Herrera?
Yeah, hello.
Sounds like Amaris Herrera is not present.
To my TV, I just got a thing.
I wasn't able to get in touch with her by telephone, but I did email her the invite.
Amaris Nicole Herrera is marked absent at this time. Need a producer, Scott, what are you gonna do with him?
Well,
What are you doing this morning?
He's gonna confer, Judge.
All right. Next is somebody in the courtroom. Looks like, who is that?
Michael White.
Michael
Who's
White.
There you are. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
What case you got?
Eric Salazar,
I need the case number.
2020, oh, let's see. No,
647-800. Page 2, Judge.
647-800. That is Eric Salazar.
that's right, Your Honor.
Where's Mr. Salazar?
Oh, he's here.
All right. Is he in the
Judge.
courtroom?
No, he's sitting outside the courtroom because he's on Zoom. He's under Motorola model.
Already?
There he is.
All right. Mr. White, what are you doing this morning?
Well, he has a felony pending, so I wouldn't want to plead on it yet, and I haven't received an offer anyway.
All right, we'll give you a 40-day reset.
All right. You give me that now, or does that be mailed to me?
I will give you September 26th.
September 26th. All right. Thank you very much, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir, Mr. White. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, then I've got, just to remind you folks, this is like being in the courtroom, hats on or chewing gum or all that. That doesn't work in here. Please take your hats off, caps, whatever. Isidro Montoya.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you? How are you feeling, sir?
I am well, sir.
Good.
There's a
I have
gentleman that's got his picture on there with his hand up, TCL 20XE. Can you identify yourself? What is your name, sir? What can I do for you? Leave your cap off, please. Would you please take your cap off? The gentleman identified as TCL 20XE. All right, we'll deal with you later. Isidro Montoya.
Judge, I just have one case, the Quan Lawton, 678-574. He's on Zoom. And I need to confer with the state.
And that is Dequan Lawton.
Yes, Judge. And he's in the courtroom. He's on Zoom, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'll be glad to you'll be scheduled to confer, but
Thank you, Your Honor.
there is no file according to the docket.
Okay, Judge,
Is Mr. Lawton here?
yes, Your Honor, he's on Zoom.
All right, thank you. George, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I am well. Which case you got, George?
I'm here on a William Johnson. You will find him on page 5 at the very top.
Is Mr. Johnson present?
He is present in the courtroom, Your Honor.
Very good. And what can we do for you, George? What are you going to do this morning?
Judge, I'd like to confer on this case. I have no offer. I would like to get this reset in order to do that.
All right, and you do have a felony pending that's unindicted, by the way.
Judge, as I understand, the felony may have already been dismissed.
Okay, well, I listed here, but you know, you're probably right. Let's give you 20-day reset. I'm running out of time in my judgeship here.
Yes, sir, I understand.
All right,
August 22nd.
Very good.
all right. Carlos Martinez, George, you're excused. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, I have Gerardo Rodriguez, 652252, page 2.
6522. Gerardo Rodriguez.
Here,
Gerardo
yes, sir.
Rodriguez. Where are you, Gerardo?
Here, sir.
There you are. Thank you.
He's got a felony pending, Judge.
He'd probably be happy if he had a felony. He's got 3 pending,
Okay.
or 2 at
I'll-
least.
I haven't looked him up in a while, but yeah, if he's got 2 more felonies, yeah, we're gonna have.
No, he's got 2 felonies only.
Okay. Well, I just need.
Now, it's interesting though. They're listed as 2010. One of them is, and I don't understand that, but that's okay. What are you doing this morning, Carlos?
Well, Judge, I'd sure like to wait to see what the felon is gonna do.
All right. We'll reset you 40 days.
Thank you, Judge.
Then we got Daniel Garcia.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
My case is on page 6. Your Honor, it's David Aquino Nolasco. Cause number 685-409.
Gotcha. Is he
Your Honor,
present?
I believe he is, Your Honor. He called me to let me know, but I don't see him on the list.
David Nolasco. David Nolasco. As of right now, he's absent, but he's supposed to be a plea today, isn't he?
Well, Your Honor, I filed a motion to withdraw, and I believe I've already been taken off the case, but I did send him the Zoom notice, and I wanted to check in with the court.
All right. You withdrew just before a plea?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Okay. I apparently wasn't aware of that. I don't like people withdrawing right at the last moment. Okay. If you withdrew and it was approved, well, that's the way it's gonna have to be. Linda,
Yes.
get with Mr. Nolasco and give him a new attorney.
Okay, Judge.
Give that attorney 30 days to get up to speed on the case.
Okay.
Next attorney, Tony Hernandez.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well, Tony. How are you?
Doing all right, Judge. I've got a Roger Morales. He's got 3 cases. He also has a felony pending that's set August 30th. So we would ask the court to reset this to after August 30th.
You want to give me a case number? It'd be real nice.
I'm sorry. First case number is 669749.
6697. What's his name?
Roger Morales.
Okay, he's got.
669-723.
Okay, I got him.
He's got that one too. And he's in the
Got a
courtroom.
felony pending. You see, he's got court when?
August 30th.
Let's recall this, Linda, on the first week of September.
Okay, the first week of September is when you'll be out on a judicial conference. So
Okay,
can we
well,
do it the 13th, September 13th?
that'll be fine.
Okay.
And is Mr. Morales present?
He is in the courtroom, Judge.
Very
That's correct,
good.
Judge.
All right, you're both excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's see, Randall Griner. You're
Good
muted,
morning,
right? There
Judge.
you go.
I've got,
Good morning.
I believe one of my clients has retained an attorney. I think he's the very last one on your docket, Mr. Parker. If I'm correct, Linda?
Yes.
Okay, now, there's a problem there because we had another attorney announced that
That's
he's
what-
been hired on the case.
Yes, he has, Judge.
Yeah, that's what I just said, Judge.
I'm sorry. I guess it'd be good if I listened to you, huh?
Well, that's okay. I'm used to not being heard.
All righty. So that's the only one you have, Randall?
No, Judge, I got one on the first page, Anthony Cruz. He's like fourth from the bottom. He has 2 cases. I just need to confer with the prosecutor on that.
All right, on 6355559, there's no file, but I will list you to confer.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right.
Next attorney, Lauren Lefton.
Hi, Judge. How are you this morning?
I'm well. How about you?
Good, thank you, sir. I just spoke with Kenny. My client's case is going to be dismissed. He said he's going to be filing it this
You want to
morning.
give me the case number, dear?
Oh, I apologize. Let me see if I
Not
have it.
necessary. It's Monday morning. Don't worry about that.
673-454, page 4.
Thanks, Linda. I
You're
appreciate it.
welcome.
673-454. Whitney Parker.
Yes, sir.
Is Whitney Parker present?
She isn't. This case was supposed to be dismissed a while ago, so I didn't have her appear.
Okay, then you are excused. Thank you for showing up. Appreciate it.
Wonderful. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Bye, guys.
Let's see.
Bye.
Simon Rawls again.
Yes, sir, Judge. I just conferred with the prosecution. By the way, I am listed as the attorney of record for Mr. Parker.
Yes, you are.
Okay, so that was switched out. And I conferred with the prosecutor. I need to discuss it with my client. Can we have a new date? We'll have time to discuss the offer.
2 weeks enough, or you need more?
2 weeks should be good, Your Honor.
Recall 2 weeks, Linda.
August 22nd.
Okay, I'll make a note of that. Thank you. And may my client be excused. And also, I have a client that you wanted to summons today. He's on Zoom, Mr. Ryan Bullard. I don't know if we can do that after, or should I wait?
Is it on the docket?
No, sir.
Take care of it after docket, please.
Yes, Your Honor. May my client be excused?
Of course. Yes, sir. All right. Bertram Wood.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I'm here on 661377. It's Parker, Darren Parker. And I wanted to talk to Kenny if I may. He's just been placed on 3 years deferred on a felony, and I had hoped this case would have been TIC, and I'm gonna talk to Kenny about that.
All right. Is Mr. Parker present?
He's
Yes,
been
sir.
texting me or chatting me. I believe he's present. He's
I'm
on
here,
the room.
sir.
Wave your hand there, Darren.
Good morning. I see him.
There we go. Thanks,
He's
Judge.
in the dark, though, but that's all right.
Sorry about that, sir.
Thank you.
There you are. All right, Mr. Parker, your attorney's gonna be doing some work for you.
Okay.
Stick around.
Yes, sir.
Okay, attorneys. I don't see any other attorneys.
Isidro.
Isidro Montoya, again, orale. Isidro, what you got?
Judge, I spoke with Kenny on my client, Mr. Lawton, 678-574. There isn't, the DPS has not sent in the results yet. And I believe there's no file. So if I can get a reset, Judge.
Let's give you a reset of 45 days. Let's see what dust settles.
Thank you, Judge. Can myself and my client be excused?
Yes, sir,
September,
you are.
September 26th, Isidro.
Thank you so much, Ms. Flores.
Attorneys. I have announced earlier that you're not supposed to wear caps in this, you're in the courtroom and somebody has chosen to ignore me. You're gonna pay a price for that.
He has some earplugs on. That's no excuse, but that's probably why he hasn't answered, Judge. And I did send him a private chat, and he's yet to reply to that, the TCL 20XE.
Attorneys. No attorneys? Mr. Engelke, what you got?
I spoke with Kenny. He's going to email an offer to me for my client. I'll discuss that with her.
Linda, can you hear what he's saying?
No, I just hear a lot of muffle. Oh, 688-395 is the case. Page 7.
I've conferred with Kimmy. He's going to email an offer to me for my client.
That the DA is going to email an offer.
All right. We'll recall him in 30 days.
Thank you, Judge.
Reset 30 days. That'll be September the 14th.
Now, for right now, Mr. Herrera is a failure to appear. Mr. Engelke,
Yes,
your client is a failure to appear at this time.
I've called and left a message for her to appear.
For some reason, I don't know, you're back at home or what?
Yes, sir.
You have a system that I can barely hear it. It's always garbled. I don't know why. Anyway,
Sorry.
your client is a failure to appear. If you produce him within a week, there will not be a warrant. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Ivan Barrera.
Judge, I'm just here on a motion to modify bond, or a hearing on a motion to modify the conditions of probation. Whenever you're ready, Judge, I'd like to approach you on that.
All right, conditions of probation or bond?
Probation, Your Honor.
All right, we'll get back to you. Let me finish calling the attorneys that are present. All right, I see no other attorney. Do you see anybody else, Linda?
No, everybody else you've already taken care of, Attorney.
All right, Simon Rawls, are you going to announce something else?
I don't think
Okay.
so, Judge.
All right. There's still a fellow with his cap on and he's got his hand up or something. I haven't figured that out.
You need to remove your cap.
He's ignoring us. That's okay.
He did. He took it off.
Well, I've been saying it about 4 or 5 times and he hadn't responded. We'll take care of that later. Mr. Bertram Wood.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I spoke with Kenny. My client had a felony and a misdemeanor. For whatever reason, felony wants him to plead to both. And so I'm trying to, and Kenny says, my hands are tied. You know, felony prosecutor tells him they want 2 years deferred out of your court to go with his 3 years deferred out of the 187. So if I could ask for just a week reset, and I'm going to email the prosecutor and see if the felony and see if she won't relent.
They want what out of this court?
The felony court wants 3 years deferred out of the
Right.
187th, but they also want 2 years deferred out of your court.
How many out of this court?
2.
There's no class A is a maximum of 1 year.
Thank you, Your Honor. That was my argument then, and I think she's been too far removed from county court,
Judge,
I guess.
Judge, we can keep someone on probation for a misdemeanor class A for 24 months. It's 2 years, sir.
So it would be run concurrent.
They're not going to dictate that to this court. Okay. Real
Thank you,
simple.
Judge.
Bertram, what's the case number?
661377. Parker, Darren Parker.
Right.
And if I could reset it and let me email her and see if they won't relent. You know, if I was telling Kenny, if this guy was in custody, just a week if I could, or 10 days.
How much?
10 days, maybe the middle of next week.
All right. Make it so, Linda.
You want August the 17th?
Please.
All right, August the 17th it is.
Thank you. Mr. Parker, I'll call you right now. We're both excused, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, I'm going to call the regular docket now. Starting off with 440-749, that checks case. How are we on that? Linda says it's okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. 55668, State versus Jose Monteagudo Ramos, attorney John Robertson, Roberson.
Judge, this one has been reset due to the attorney being ill.
He's still sick, huh?
Yes.
Okay, 614-508, is Mr. Monteagudo Ramos present?
No.
Okay. 614-508, State versus Pamela Ortiz Maisone. Tim Roundtree.
Mr. Roundtree will be late, Judge. Yes.
How about his client?
I'm here, sir.
Pardon me?
Why are you
right.
putting me under the bus?
Pamela?
Present, Your Honor.
Okay, fine, Kenny. I
Okay,
gotta.
where are you? There you are. Very good. All right, we need to do something about your case, ma'am. We'll be talking to your lawyer.
Yes, sir.
629-138, State versus Jolene Vaquera, or Vasquez, pardon me. Anthony Cantrell's attorney. Anthony Cantrell, no response. Jolene Vasquez.
Here.
Why'd you bail me out?
All right, good morning to you. Wait for your
Good
attorney.
morning. Okay.
629-353, State versus Joseph Guerrero, attorney. Matthew Allen.
Mr. Allen is in trial. It's been reset to next Monday.
Thank you, ma'am. 6355559. Let's see, we call that. Let's see. 644-993, State versus Joshua Bazan, attorney. Ernest Acevedo III.
I'm here, sir. I don't know where my attorney's at. I think he should be coming. I'm here, though.
Mr. Bazan?
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm here.
Wave your hand. Okay, your phone says Maria Puente. I know you ain't Maria Puente.
No, I'm on my mom's iPhone.
Okay, you're using somebody else's connection.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I've got you marked present. Wait for your attorney.
All right, thank you, sir.
645-380, State versus Ruben Gonzalez, attorney. Mark LaHood. Ruben Gonzalez.
I have an email from Justin Folks. I'm gonna have to reset that. They all have COVID at the Mark LaHood office.
Oh, wow. All right. 645-446, State versus Randy Cavazos, attorney. Tim Roundtree.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Randy Cavazos. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
It's R-A-N-D-I, huh? All right.
Yes.
Are you expecting Mr. Roundtree today?
He should be coming in.
I agree with you. He should be. I'm sure he will be. He's pretty good about that. Stick around and wait for him. 651-595, State versus Dylan Ibarra, attorney. Tim Roundtree. We're still waiting for Tim. Dylan Ibarra.
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Ibarra. Wait for your attorney. 651-95. Yeah, wait for your attorney. He'll be here. 651-959, State versus John Mesa, attorney. Michael Granados. John Mesa is marked absent.
Mr. Granados isn't on the wheel anymore, Judge, so I'm gonna have to see about when I do get in contact with Mr. Mesa to give him a new attorney.
All right. 654-081, State versus Jonathan Torres, attorney. Tim Roundtree.
Yes, sir.
Jonathan Torres, good morning to you, sir. Appreciate you being here on time. You have to wait for your attorney. 654-860, State versus Christopher Pugh, attorney. Carolyn Wentland.
I have an email from her asking for that case to be reset felony pending.
All right, just give her 40 days. And Christopher Pugh. All right, we don't hear you, but I see your hand. Yes, sir.
I'm here,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
There you are. Now I hear you. Very good. We're going to reset you for 40 days. Linda, can you give them a specific date?
Yes, September 26th.
You got that?
Yes, sir. Just to let you know, the pending felony is scheduled for
Yeah.
October 5th.
Say again, somebody was talking when they shouldn't have been.
Just to let you know, the pending felony is actually scheduled for October 5th.
Okay. Well, what date does this give him? The 40 days?
Well, it gives him like September 26th, but if you'd like,
Yeah,
I can give him October the 6th if you'd like.
just do that.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
655799, State versus John Flores, attorney John Roberson. John is ill, right?
Yes.
And John Flores. John Flores is absent at this time. He may have been told not to show because of Mr. Roberson's illness. I don't know. We'll check it out. On to page 3. Let's see, set at 1:30, 657-081, State versus Victoria Juarez.
Judge, if that's a speedy trial, our motion to suppress, that's not going to go. The state did not receive proper notice for that, that hearing. The wrong date was put in. I'm sorry, the wrong case number was put in on the court calendar.
All right. Well, we'll deal with it after a while. Thank you.
You're welcome.
657-824, State versus April Arispe, attorney Alberto Acevedo III. Alberto Acevedo is not responding. April Arispe, absent, failure to appear. 660-720, State versus Juan Saucedo, attorney Michael Sawyer.
Mr. Sawyer,
I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Saucedo.
Mr. Sawyer is in the 290th.
I'm sorry?
Mr. Sawyer's in the 290th.
Okay, well, we'll wait for him. Stick around, Mr. Saucedo.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. 662-872, State versus Jesse Palacios, attorney Brenda Levenstein. Mr. Palacios, I see you waving. All right. Brenda Levenstein, no response. We're on to page 4. 664-845, State versus Jennifer Martz, attorney Bertram Wood.
We reset that one, Judge. It's a felony pending.
All righty. Thank you. 66441, State versus Donald Paxson, attorney Andrew Freilich.
That one's been reset 1 week. He is out of town.
All righty. 669-555, State versus Christopher Aguirre, attorney Tim Roundtree.
Hello, I'm present, Your Honor.
Christopher Aguirre, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Your attorney should be here. Stick around.
Yes, sir. He stated he was in a felony court waiting for a trial setting, so I'm sure he'll be here soon. Thank you.
All right, thank you. 673-136, State versus Tyler Shaltry, attorney Thomas Beck.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Shaltry. Are you expecting Mr. Beck here today?
He sent me an email. He's saying that he has 4 other cases besides me, and he said he would likely have little to do with my case today.
All right, well, we'll have to wait for him, so stick around, sir. Let's see, 674414, State versus Vincent Velasquez, Tim Roundtree. Vincent Velasquez,
Here, Your Honor.
where you at? There you are. Vincent V. Stick around, Mr. Roundtree has almost half the docket today. He'll be showing up. 675287.
He's the guy that didn't show up until like 11.
Oh, I do.
Hello.
Muted him.
675287, State versus Jesus Mendoza. Attorney Tim Roundtree. Jesus Mendoza.
Present.
Good morning, Mr. Mendoza.
Good morning, sir.
Wait for your attorney. He's got a whole bunch in this court.
Sounds good.
677204, State versus Alfonso Salazar. Attorney Brian O'Donnell.
Mr. Salazar is present in the courtroom, Judge.
Good
Mr.
morning, Ms.
O'Donnell will
Lebowski. Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. O'Donnell will be late.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. 678731, State versus Jose Martinez. Attorney Patrick Montgomery. Jose Martinez. Is failure to appear. Montgomery, no response.
Judge, Mr. Montgomery was in jail court with me earlier, so that's probably where he's at.
All right. I will so note it. Thank you. 679968, State versus Alexandria Reina. Attorney Angela Blake.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Reina.
Good morning.
Have you talked to your attorney?
Yes, sir. She said that she would be here today.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that. Thank you.
Thank you.
680824, State versus Gabriel Padilla. Attorney Tim Roundtree. Gabriel Padilla.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Padilla.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm all right. You doing okay today?
Doing all right, sir.
Stick around. Your attorney will be here for about 8 or 9 cases.
Thank you, Your Honor.
680990, State versus Andrea Isaac. Attorney Richard Garcia Jr.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Richard Garcia, have you heard from him, Linda?
No,
sir.
All right. We'll show no response on him this morning. We'll wait. 683822, State versus Guy Sanchez. Attorney Ron Ross. Guy
That's,
Sanchez.
that's gonna be reset, Judge, felony pending.
Yep, it's unindicted too. 684-536, State versus Rachel Fuller. Attorney Matthew Finch.
The same with that one, reset felony pending. She has unindicted cases.
All right, thank you. I think that takes care of page 6. On to page 7. 687517, State versus Geneva Garcia. Attorney Andrew Freilich.
That one,
Geneva Garcia.
that one's gonna be reset. Attorney out of town.
Didn't we call another one with his name?
Yeah.
688035, State versus Teresa Gonzalez. No
Miss-
attorney.
Ms. Gonzalez is here in the office, Judge. She's filling out an application for a court-appointed attorney.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
688374, State versus Isabel Rodriguez. Pardon me. Isabel Robinson, attorney. Gil Coronado.
Yes, hello.
I'm sorry?
I'm Isabel Robinson.
Okay, how are you this morning?
Oh, okay, sir.
Are you in touch with Mr. Coronado?
Gil Coronado, yes. I've been calling him and the number says wrong.
Okay, let's see. We'll try and track him down. Stick around, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I called him since Friday.
Okay, page 8. 688478. Pardon me. Let me repeat that. 688428. State versus Lorraine or I guess it's Lorenzo. I'm not sure. Melendez Rodriguez. Lorenzo or Lawrence.
I think it's Lorenzo, Judge.
I'm sorry.
I believe it's Lorenzo.
Oh, it got cut off here on my computer here. Melendez Rodriguez. Attorney Paul Vasquez.
Judge, I'm present. I just need to confer.
Where's your client?
He's under Lorenzo on the
Lorenzo's
screen.
iPhone. Can you wait?
Lorenzo's- yeah. He's waving now, Judge. Lorenzo's iPhone. Sir,
Wave again, sir.
Do you see him, Linda?
I do see him, Judge.
All right. Mr. Vasquez, you going to confer? What are you going to do?
yes, I'm gonna confer.
All righty. You're scheduled. 688458. State versus Mackenzie Frisbee. And the attorney is Joanne Akel.
Yes, sir. I'm
Mackenzie
here. I'm
Frisbee.
not sure if my attorney is here yet. She was in court earlier, so.
Miss Akel will be late.
Say again.
Miss Akel will be late.
Okay. And Ms. Frisbee.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
All right. That's it for this morning's docket. I don't see anybody else that's on this docket. Mr. Reiner, what you got?
Judge, I have dismissals on Mr. Cruz, both of Mr. Cruz's case.
Give me the
First
case
page,
numbers.
fourth from the bottom,
635-559.
and the other case, yes.
636-137, Judge.
All right, 635-559 is dismissed, you say?
Yeah, both of them are, Judge. Yes.
Okay, that one's there, dismissed. What's the other one, case number?
It's right underneath, 636-137.
Okay. All right, looks like you're through for this morning, Mr. Weiner.
All right, well, have a good day, Judge.
You too, take care of yourself. Stay
All
safe.
right. Yeah, thank you.
Ernest Acevedo.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Joshua Bazan.
Right.
Present in the Zoom hearing, and he has a felony pending that arises out of the same incident. So I was asking that these be reset to see if we can work out something with felony prosecutors.
How much time do you need, Ernest?
60 days would probably be good, Judge.
We're gonna give you 60 to get the dust settled in on this felony and stuff.
Yes, sir.
Where is that?
All righty,
What's the case number? I'm sorry.
that's 6. I think it's 664 or 6, yeah, no. What is it, Ernie? I can't, I crossed it out. 993, it's the bottom of page 1.
Yeah, 664,
Oh, there it is.
993, and 994.
Okay, 60 days. October 10th, Ernest.
That'll be good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We both be excused.
Yes, sir, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else need to be recognized? Simon Rawls, what you got?
Yes, Judge, thank you. This is regarding Mr. Ryan Bullard. He has 3 cases, 4445 is one of them, 664444 and 664443 is the third. We got a call today from the your coordinator saying that you wanted to summons him because of a pretrial violation, and he's shown up today. He wants to change the conditions. He was signed up for an abuse, but he didn't realize he would have to report 3 times a week. My client does not have a vehicle currently, and where he's located, it would cost him $90 round trip to take the abuse. That's be $270 a week. He can't afford that, and he wants to switch to AA meetings on Zoom instead of abuse.
Well, we're gonna have to talk about that. You need to confer with the state on it.
Yes, sir.
Already.
Should I do a breakout room now, or do I talk to them?
We'll put you on the list to confer, see what Mr. Delco says.
Simon, go back to 1 and I will have one of the prosecutors talk to you.
Thank you.
Linda, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I have 3 people here that are not on our docket.
Okay, can you just send them to the office, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. We still got a gentleman, you have not identified yourself. It's your phone list TCL 20XE. Can you unmute yourself and tell me you're muted right now? You're muted, sir. You're muted. We can't hear you. There you
Hello?
go. Yes.
Okay. Yes, I'm having issues with this right now. Sorry, Your Honor. I barely
What's
can hear
what's your
you.
name?
David Nolasco Aquino.
Oh, Mr. Nolasco. He's the one that I need to appoint. David Nolasco, he's the one I need to give him a new attorney because Daniel Garcia withdrew.
All right, did you hear what Ms. Flores said?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're gonna give you a
the-
new attorney, so stick around a little bit. She'll give you the attorney and recall you in 30 days.
Okay.
Stick around.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Who else needs to be recognized? Anybody?
Linda, also, Judge as well, there's a gentleman right there with the vest. He is not on our docket. He's under Raimundo Garza. He came in person. He's on Zoom now, but he's not on our docket as well. Raimundo Garza, he's right there with the yellow vest.
Did you give Linda his date of birth?
No, sir, he did not give it to me. Mr. Raimundo, if you can hear us, give me your date of birth, sir. Unmute yourself.
You're muted, Mr. Garza. We can't hear you.
Can you hear me
There you
now?
go.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
My date of birth is 06/18/1985.
6/18/1995.
85, I'm sorry.
85, 6/18/85. Okay, as soon as the coordinator gets back on Zoom, I'll let her know. That way she can give you your information.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you. So do I stay in the court?
Yeah, stick
Stay-
around.
Stay on
Okay.
Zoom, sir. Yes.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Garza. You are set for August the 11th.
You talking about Raimundo Garza, Linda?
Yes, Raimundo Garza. Mr. Raimundo Garza?
You're muted, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are set on August 11th.
August 11th?
Mhm.
Okay, sounds good.
I'll make a note that you were very early.
Thank you, Judge. So I'm good to leave then until the 11th, right?
Right.
Okay, I'll see y'all then.
I don't believe so because Vasquez, right? Because I do believe that the judge.
Hi, Angela.
Morning. Can I speak to the state, please?
Sure, I'll put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Blake.
Morning, Judge.
What's your case number?
It is 679-968.
Page 5.
Ms. Alexandria is present.
Yes, and she's already been put in a breakout room. Judge Anthony Cantrell is in the courtroom.
I'm sorry,
Mr. Anthony Cantrell, he's in the courtroom.
he is in the courtroom?
Yes, sir. He's on virtual CC5.
All right. All right, what's his case number again?
I'm looking for it. I know it's Jocelyn something. I can't remember.
Jolene Vasquez.
Thank you. What's your case? 629138, Judge, on page 1.
Mr. Cantrell, what are you doing this morning?
You're mute. Okay, there you go.
Well, I'd like to confer with the state, so I don't know where I can do that. I guess go in a breakout room with them.
Yeah.
Give me a second. I'll put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
Number 8.
Just keep in mind that we're gonna lose camera footage over here, Judge.
Paul Vasquez.
And then
Yes.
I've conferred with Kyle. The case has not been filed. They are still awaiting the blood results, and he says he don't know how long it's going to take before a case is filed. So I guess we just need a reset.
Judge. Judge.
Judge, you're muted.
Who muted me?
Muted yourself, Judge.
What's going on?
688428, Paul Vasquez.
Yeah,
DA is waiting on blood results and it's.
right. I heard the announcement. No
Okay.
problem.
So how long do you want me to give?
Well, with blood, might as well wait 60 days and we might be lucky if they get it by then.
Okay, October 10th, Paul.
Sounds good.
Okay.
May we be excused?
Yes, sir. You're excused.
Thank you, Lorenzo. You can log off.
Judge, we're back with Mr. Rawls on Ryan Bullard. He's the one that had the, Simon, what's your guys' case number again?
664443.
That's Ryan Bullard. Okay. So there'll be no objection to removing the interviews. He's on Smart Start Mobile, but he has to blow 3 times a day. We're going to request 0 tolerance. If he messes up, we're requesting he be held without to trial without bond.
Absolutely.
Joanne Akelo.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on cause number 688458. My client, Mackenzie Frisbee, is on the Zoom, and I would like to confer with the state if I could, please.
688458.
Yes, Judge.
Last page, huh? Yeah, she is present, so we'll put you to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you. Brian O'Donnell.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Alfonso Salazar. I believe he is on the Zoom. Cases 677-204 and 683-721. I believe on page 5.
I believe you're right.
Your Honor, on Friday, I received an email from the Veterans Treatment Court indicating that my client's application for the Veterans Treatment Court has been submitted for review with the district attorney. So if we could reset the case, we should have an answer, I'm hoping relatively soon.
How much time are we talking about?
I would ask for 30 days, Your Honor.
You got 30 days, okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused along with, is it possible I could be in a breakout room with Mr. Alfonso Salazar and then we could both be excused from there?
Linda, make it so. Yes, sir. And that is,
Okay, September 13th, and I will put y'all in a breakout room. Hold on.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Linda.
take care.
Where are you, Mr. Salazar? Alfonso?
Lorenzo, you can log off. We're done for the morning.
Paul Vasquez, what you got still?
No, my client's still logged in. I'm letting him know he can log off. That was it.
All right,
Thank you, Judge.
take care. You're welcome.
Judge,
Mr.
Yes, sir.
Salazar? Alfonso Salazar, where are you? Brian?
Linda, I can call him. We communicate by phone, so it should be okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Delco,
so I don't know if you heard, but I was back with Mr. Rawls on his client that's on the DWI second. So we're going to request that the court would remove the abuse. And he'd be placed on zero tolerance. If he messes up or there's another violation, we're going to be he'd be remanded to the jail without bail until his trial date. We're going to request zero tolerance for him.
and who's that on?
What is that man's name?
It's on 664-443. It's not on the docket, Judge. This is one that you asked for a summons for the violation report.
It's for me, Your Honor. Ryan Bullard.
What's the name of the individual here?
Ryan.
Right.
And the last name is B, like in boy, Ullard.
Brian
Bullard.
Yeah.
with a Y or an I?
R with a R, Judge. Ryan.
RY.
Yes, sir.
All right. So Kenny, you're asking for a remand?
We're gonna request zero tolerance. And removal of the abuse, but if he messes up, we're gonna request he be remanded into the jail without bond. So zero tolerance, please.
Wait. We're talking zero tolerance. We're not talking a remand at this time.
No, Judge, zero tolerance.
All right.
And the removal of the abuse if the court, if that's the court's leisure or in the purview.
You're satisfied that'll be the right thing under the circumstances?
Judge, given that the abuse is $90 and he has to come back 3 times a week and he lives out of county, I think it is fair in this circumstance.
So right now, under the current conditions, what would that cost him per month?
That is a question for Mr. Rawls. I don't know where he went though.
It would be around 270 a month.
All right.
And I'm already paying for the breathalyzer as well on top of that. And that's $30 a week. I'm already spending $100 a month on that.
All right. So what are we going to do on this? We're going to remove the abuse.
And replace with zero tolerance, yes, sir.
Absolutely.
But you are on a monitor. What kind of monitor is it?
According to Mr. Rawls, that was Smart Start Mobile, I believe.
Yes.
Yes, that's correct.
Has your attorney submitted the affidavits that I require? I need a copy of the police report. I need to find out where the vehicle went that you were driving when you got arrested. Was that yours or somebody else's?
It was mine and it was impounded and it was totaled. and I never got it back out.
All right. Then I need you to give me an affidavit swearing to that. And once you do that, we'll remove the ignition interlock. Well, we'll go with a portable alcohol monitor and remove the antabuse. Don't screw up because I will put you literally in jail so fast you'll wonder what the hell happened. Do you understand?
Understood, Your Honor.
All right.
So, Your Honor, to clarify, he needs an affidavit that the vehicle was impounded?
I don't hardly hear you, whoever's saying something.
It's me, Simon Rawls, Your Honor. Client needs an affidavit that the vehicle was impounded or
Right.
totaled?
Get me that right away.
Yes, Your Honor, I will.
Meantime,
be
Linda,
excused?
work on an order. I'll hold the order until I get these affidavits.
Okay, Judge.
All right.
Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, you're excused, both of you.
Thank
you, Your Honor.
Take care. Stay out of trouble.
I will.
Sir with the white t-shirt under Polo Boy S01. So you need to sit up. Zoom is considered live courtroom while in Zoom. Thank you. Please state your first and last name for the courts.
You're muted.
Sir.
Jesse Palacios.
Thank you, sir. Please remain seated up during Zoom. Thank you.
Yes, real quick, I wanted to bring it to your attention. My attorney contacted me and he will not be present today.
Who's talking?
Tyler Schultry.
Okay.
Case number, Judge, is 673-136, page 4. It's
Okay, I
Thomas
found
Beck.
Jesse Palacios. He's on page 3.
Mhm.
Brenda Levenstein will not be here today. He's Mr.
No.
Palacios.
No, it's Tyler Schultry, the one that's speaking. 673-136.
I know, but Jesse Palacios identified himself. That's the one that Ms. Grabowski was talking to. Mr.
Exactly.
Palacios, what's going on with your attorney?
I've not heard from her.
Okay, well, stick around. All right, now we go to Mr. Schultry.
673-136.
673-136. All right. And he's waiting for Thomas Beck. What's going on with Thomas Beck?
He emailed me. He said for an in-person hearing, and the docket is huge in the 175th. He will not be able to make it in at all today.
Okay, Linda,
Yes, sir.
reset this gentleman and then make a note. And we want to touch base with the 175th.
Okay. How long do you want me to reset it for?
Well, let's recall it in 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. I will give you Mr. Sultry, August the 22nd.
And will that be in Zoom as well?
It should be, yes.
And did you hear from Mr. Beck, Linda?
No, sir, I haven't.
Okay. Make a note of that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Schultry, you've got the new date. You might share that with your attorney, although we will be giving him notice and then other things we're going to discuss with him. We'll go from there.
Okay, I'll let him know. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Tim Roundtree, you've got half the docket this morning. Where are you?
I'm here, Judge. I'm sorry, I just got out of the 226th. If I may, Judge, rather than announce on all of those, may I confer first?
All right, let's start off with Ortiz.
Judge, that's going to be a motion to suppress.
Linda?
Got it. I will talk with Tim about a date.
Okay.
Okay, so that's cleared for today. Now you got that's one. Then you got Cavazos.
Judge, that's a transfer, I believe, from County Court 2, and I need to confer on that.
Over your objections, I know.
Yes, Judge, strenuous. Don't throw me into the.
All
that
right,
fire.
we've got you listed to confer.
Okay.
Then we've got Dylan Ibarra.
Judge, I believe we've submitted the PTD application and we're just waiting on a decision on that.
How far along are you on that?
I believe we've submitted it. Let me check real quick. Actually, let's see here. Actually, Judge, we have the agreement. We need to complete the agreement and present it to the court.
So what, how much time you need? 2 weeks will do it or what?
2 weeks would do it, Judge.
Recall 2 weeks, Linda.
Okay,
That's on Ibarra.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Then we have
Jonathan Torres.
Torres, Jonathan.
Judge, I need to confer on that one.
All right. And then you have
Page 4, Christopher Aguirre.
I'd like to confer on that as well, Judge.
And then Vincent Velasquez.
Vincent.
Yeah, the same, I would like to confer before I'm making an announcement, Judge.
Then you have what is it? Mendoza, Jessica.
Yes.
Jesus, pardon me.
Jesus, yes.
Right.
And Judge, if I may confer on that as well.
Gabriel Padilla.
The same, I need to confer on that.
Okay, that's page 5. Nothing on page 6.
I believe that is everyone.
I think that's everyone. Okay, let me put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
All right, Tim.
Thanks, Judge.
Joanne Eagle, what you got?
Judge, I've conferred with the prosecutor. I just wanted to make sure all the discovery was there. I'm going to get the discovery. This is a brand new case from July and go over the discovery, Judge.
Just give me the case number so I can get on the same page with you.
Okay, Judge, it's 688458. It's the last page of your docket.
That makes it real easy. All right. Okay. So what are you doing on that?
Judge, I just need about 30 days to go over the discovery.
Okay. So it shall be.
September 13th.
Thank you very much. May I and my
Welcome.
client be excused?
Yes, ma'am. You sure may.
Thank you.
Judge,
Angela Blake.
Judge, state's reviewing my case and I'm asking for a 30-day reset to get an offer from them.
You want to give me your case number? It'd be real quick.
679, it's on page 5. 679968.
All right, reset 30 days.
September 15th.
That should be fine, yes.
Okay. Judge, can you mute yourself? I need to call you real quick on something. Mr. Nolasco, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes.
Okay, can you give me a call later this afternoon so I can talk to you about a new attorney for you?
Sure.
Okay, let me give you my number. Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
yes, I'm here.
Okay, my phone number is 210-335-2172.
2172.
Yes, do you have a phone number, please?
Yes, 210-335-2172.
No, you have a phone number.
Oh, yes, ma'am, I did.
What
Okay.
is your phone number?
It's 830-326-2475.
2475. Okay, all right. Thank you. Call me this afternoon, okay?
Okay,
All right, thank you. You're excused.
okay, thank you.
Mm.
Mr. Alfonso? Ms. Arispe? April Arispe, you are muted.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, your name was called, ma'am. You were just not present when the judge called your name, so you just need to stay put on Zoom till they get a hold of you regarding your case matter. So just stay on Zoom.
Okay.
The individual under Alfonso's iPhone. The individual under Isabel Robinson.
Ma'am? Yes?
Miss Robinson, if anyone else is going to be on camera, they need to be sitting up and not laying down on the bed or sofa. Zoom is
Oh.
considered live.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
This is Tyler Stalter again. I hate to come back on and interrupt. I looked at my calendar and I actually have to be in court in Austin on the 22nd. So can I get that reset date for a different date?
About the 23rd.
23rd will work.
Okay, make sure you tell your attorney.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, Linda, I'm back. We got Ivan Barrera. What's he got going?
Judge, this is the, I just have a motion to modify probation. And I wanted to, well, you requested to have a hearing on it.
Yeah, have you
last week when
discussed
you were
it
out.
with Delco?
He has, Judge, and I'm strongly opposed to any modification. His client was originally charged with DWI. The court felt it was necessary to take away his gun privileges throughout probation. Now they want to go back on that deal that they signed. Which way it was a condition that the court ordered it because his client feels like he's entitled to go hunting while he's on probation. So if we make an exception for Mr. Barrero's client, that means everybody else that you've ordered no firearm for the duration of probation is going to come in and say, well, Judge Longoria granted it for this person, so I want my turn. And it's not fair to everyone else who has had firearms taken away from probation. So we're going to request that you leave it on throughout the duration. When you make actions, those actions have consequences. And unfortunately for Mr. Barrero's client, that consequence included no gun privileges throughout the duration of probation.
What's the case number we're talking about?
Mr. Barrero, do you remember your clients or
Yeah,
Marty's?
it's 679-611. And Judge, this is an add-on.
Okay. Six, 7, 9, 611.
That's correct, Your Honor.
What's your client's name?
It's Robert Ramsey.
And he is on probation?
That's correct, Your Honor. He's on deferred adjudication for obstruction of a highway.
And why does he have a gun issue?
Well, Judge, so he was initially charged with a DWI. There was no UCW attached to this offense, so it's just a straight DWI that was, again, reduced to an obstruction. It was not a condition to probation, to acceptance of probation, but it was a standard condition that I guess it's a condition that's part of anyone who's who's been granted probation or deferred adjudication. Now, these conditions, Judge, are provided to the defendant and to the attorney after they've accepted a plea deal. Now, when we initially accept the plea deal, we have conditions, the DW education course, the TAP evaluation, all those things, but there's never, we're not provided the additional conditions like, they can't leave Bexar County, and then the other one being, that they're not supposed to possess weapons or ammo. And so this was brought to my attention by my client. This is the first time I'm hearing this. And my client wanted to do things by the book, and so he wanted me to ask the court if we can remove that as a condition. Now, I understand that every defendant has this condition, and I understand Mr. Delco's position. So at the very least, Judge, we would ask the court to grant him permission to possess weapons or ammo on limited or under specific requests, letting the court know that he wants to go hunting on this and that date, and then asking the judge for.
I'm still. Which court was this out of? Is this out of this court?
Out of your court, yes, sir.
Out of your court, Your Honor, yes, sir.
I am still trying to figure out why there was a condition regarding weapons. If this, first of all, did not have a weapons provision, does he have a history of weapons charges?
No, Your Honor, not whatsoever. Like I said, the initial agreement did not have any weapon prohibitions, but it's only after a defendant accepts probation that they give them like a laundry list of additional conditions. And in that document that's provided, it lists on there that they're not supposed to possess weapons or ammo.
No, Judge, once again, we have to remember that every defendant is given this condition. If you go making an exception for this one defendant, it's going to open up the floodgates and everybody else is going to come and, oh, well, Judge, can I have permission to go hunting? Probation is a form of punishment. You are not supposed to be having fun while on probation. It's just not fun. You break a law, you have a consequence. That consequence includes losing some of those privileges. And that's a standard condition for everyone.
And Judge, and this is not, Mr. Ramsey is not asking the court to use weapons or ammo for fun. It's simply for home defense, self-defense, defense of property. Mr. Ramsey is an avid hunter, so he wants to have the opportunity to be able to do that and provide for his family. In addition to that, Judge, we have the Second Amendment. I'll throw that out there, and we have the right to bear arms, and I don't think that right should be restricted.
Okay, Linda?
Yes, sir.
We need to find out when the plea was done on this case.
Okay. What's the case number again? 679?
611. I want a brief transcript of the punishment that was agreed to.
Judge, this was nothing that came from either side. This was something that was added by probation.
Now, that don't go with me. If it was added by probation, this is a totally different condition, and the conditions are up to the court, not to probation, to be playing with those. If that's the case, I need to find out, because I'm going to have a little visit with the probation department too.
Understandable, Judge, but I think that's a condition that's given to every defendant. Because even when you do your pleas, you say that they're going to.
I have never heard that the probation department adds a gun provision to a non-gun crime. And if it has been doing it, I want to know, because this is the first time I'm made aware that it's just an automatic thing. That's, if you'll forgive the simple legal expression, that's BS, not in this court. I want to find out, Linda, find out what the date of the plea was and what the conditions, what the agreement was that was recited into the record. That's what counts.
Okay.
And if there's an amendment, this court should be the one that imposes it, not a willy-nilly effort by some probation officer or officers. I'll look into that, Mr. Barrera. Check with me later.
Understood, Your Honor. Me and my client be excused.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Luna,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you aware of the probation department, without the court's knowledge, adding conditions of no gun possession?
Your Honor, it's not added as a condition on top of the conditions that are pertaining to the probationer. However, it is a general condition, Your Honor, for everyone, meaning that, and this is nothing new, Your Honor. As part of his conditions, it's general for everybody, as for conditions 1 through I can say 1 through 9, Your Honor. I can give you a copy of his conditions that he signed and send it over to you. So that way you can go over it. But as far as it being a condition that is added on top of what you have given, no, Your Honor. It's added as part of his general conditions that they are not allowed to have any form of weapons, regardless of what your case is. I can send that over to you, Your Honor. I'll send it over to you right now, in which he signed.
Yeah, send it over. I want to see it.
And that's for every court, Judge. Every court has this.
And every person gets that same condition, all of them.
Every
no
person
exception.
gets that same condition, Your Honor, because it's a general condition.
Well, I'm gonna look at it.
It's kind of like they can't, it's a general condition, like they can't leave Bear County.
I don't hardly hear you, Kenny. Can you get closer to your microphone?
Yes, Judge. So it's kind of like the general condition where they cannot leave the county without court permission. It's just a general built-in. So nobody's adding anything. This is just the standard condition for every single person, regardless of charge.
When you say standard conditions, as I understand the court of criminal procedure, the judge sets conditions.
Right, Judge, but this is an agreement between that defendant and the probation department. So every single
You're misunderstanding what I'm saying. Conditions are established by the court. Now, if these are general conditions, in the almost 8 years that I've presided, I was totally unaware that that was a general condition that was imposed on everybody. And if so, if that's what's happening, I'm gonna have something to say about it. We'll see. I want to find out. All right. Follow up on that, Linda.
Yes, sir.
Todd Coronado,
Yes, sir.
what's happening?
First appearance, I guess I need to confer on Isabel Camargo Robinson, I guess.
Case number.
688-374, page 7.
Correct. Thank
Say
you.
again.
Welcome. 688-374.
Where you been, Todd?
I'm at the courthouse, Judge, in a couple of different courts. My apologies.
I expect you to at least let us know what's going on, Todd.
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing on your case?
Just first appearance. I need a starting point confirmed.
I'll put you
All right.
in room 1.
Thank you.
Mhm.
I'm gonna take a 5-minute break.
Okay, Judge.
And I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
afraid he cannot.
Judge, can I approach? Okay. Judge, may I approach?
Linda, did the judge step away from his desk?
Yes, he did, Michelle.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
We have any announcements or anything? Linda?
No, Judge, no announcements yet.
Alrighty. Then I'm gonna go to my computer and see what we got.
Yes, Judge.
I'll be here.
Judge Longoria, can you hear me? Stephanie
Yes.
Kowalski. Judge, I see a name on Zoom, Ameris Herrera. And on my notes on page 7, case number 688395. She was here in the court, now she's logged in on Zoom. On my notes, it said that her case has been reset to September 14th. Is that correct, sir?
I can barely hear you, Mija.
On my notes, it says her case has been reset to September 14th. Is that correct?
688395. Reset 30 days. I don't know the specific date.
Yeah, September 14th. Miss Herrera Amaris, did you hear that, ma'am? Amaris?
Amaris Herrera. Amaris Herrera.
If you can hear us, ma'am, you're muted. We cannot hear you.
Well, she apparently has decided not to respond or not to stay with us.
Hi, Kyle. How are you feeling?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
I'm although other than being up all night in mag duty, I'm pretty good.
Other than that, right? Good
Yeah.
to see you.
Just as Tim Roundtree, may I approach when you're available?
Tim, what you got?
Well, do you want names or numbers, Judge?
Numbers first.
Okay, give me 1 second here then.
You want to start off with Cavazos?
Okay, Judge, Mr. Vance has made us a new offer. This was a transfer, I believe, in from County Court 2. I'd ask for one reset to convey it to my client and discuss it.
30 days.
Yes, sir.
Linda?
September 13th. I'm sorry, September 15th.
Okay.
All right. Then you got Torres?
That's correct. And the state has made us a new offer in that case, Judge. I believe it'll resolve it. If I could have a 30-day reset for that as well.
That's what will be for disposition?
Yes, sir.
Same date.
That would be fine.
Okay, and on Dylan Ibarra, I gave you 822, correct?
If you didn't, you did now.
Okay,
So that's fine.
Ms. Flores,
yes, sir.
651958 or 9, John Mesa, did he ever appear?
No, he hasn't.
All right, so he's a failure to appear.
Yes.
Okay, Tim, go ahead and proceed.
Judge, I have Pamela Ortiz, 614508. I'm going to get with Linda on the date, but that's going to be a motion to suppress.
Which one's that one?
The first page.
614508.
All right,
And I'll get with Linda after docket, Judge. And then the next case is 674414 Vincent Velasquez.
Actually, it's 669555.
Oh, okay. I'm
For
sorry.
Avita.
Okay. The state has made us a new offer in that
which
case.
one are we talking about?
669555, page 4.
May I have 915, Judge, to communicate that offer to my client? It's a brand new offer. It's
2
a first
weeks?
time.
2 weeks enough?
Judge, if I could, I'm pretty backed up because I was on vacation. So if we could go to that 915, that would be best.
Make it happen, then.
Yes, sir. Ready for the next one?
Yes.
674414 Vincent Velasquez.
I'm submitting mitigation information to Mr. Vance to review, to convey us an offer, a new offer. If we could have 915, it may be disposition, it may not.
Ready, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Jesus Mendoza, page 5, 675287.
On that one, the state has made me an offer, and I need to talk with Jesus about it. I think we may be disposition on the 15th. So if we could set it for disposition that day.
All right.
I believe those are all my cases.
No, one more. Gabriel Padilla, 680824.
Okay.
What did you decide on, what is happening on Jose Martinez? 678731. Oh, never mind.
I don't think he's my client.
680824, Judge.
Padilla, yeah.
Yes.
But yes, so the state has made us a new offer. I believe it'll resolve it if we can go for 915.
Go ahead, Linda.
All right, got it.
I think that's everything. Is that right, Linda?
I believe so.
Gabriel.
It looks like that's all. Yes, those are all of yours.
Maybe every case I have in this court. We'll see. Well, may my clients be excused, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
And thank you for your patience. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
All right. Bye-bye.
Call me later on the motion to suppress.
I'll do it.
Okay.
I still need to speak with the prosecutor. It's Cantrell.
Okay,
Get a
Mr.
chance.
Cantrell, give me 1 second.
I'm going now, Linda.
Okay, 2.
2? Okay, 2.
Oh, he was back. Yeah, there he was.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes.
Your Honor, I have April at East Bay on the docket today.
Case number?
Let me pull it, Judge. There's 3 case numbers though.
657-824, page 3.
Thank you.
Where have you been, Mr. Percival?
Judge, I'm stuck in the 187th right now. I popped in about 5 minutes ago, but you had stepped away. And it just, if I can give you an update, Judge, she has some pending felonies right now. And that's where we're at. I'm not on those felonies. So I need to get in contact with whoever's court appointed on that to see if there's any updates.
Mr. Delco. Ms. Grabowski? Well, never mind. Linda, what time did Ms. Arispe show up?
It was after docket call. I'm not too sure what time though.
It was at 10:15, Judge.
Thank you.
Mr. Acevedo,
Yes, Your Honor.
you need to visit with your client unless she wants to be put in jail for not showing up on time.
No, absolutely, Judge, I will.
And that somewhat applies to you. Where have you been?
I've been in the 187th all morning, Your Honor.
And did you have the courtesy to let us know?
I don't know if my office had a chance to call you, Judge, so I can't tell you yes or no.
Mr. Acevedo, is it your responsibility of you or your office?
It's my responsibility, Your Honor.
That's my point. So where are we on your case, Mr. Acevedo?
At this point, Judge, I haven't conferred regarding these cases, but she also has some outstanding felonies, Judge, so.
She has 1, 2, 3, 4 felonies pending.
Correct, Your Honor. So I need to get with the court appointed counsel on those to see where they're at.
All right. I'm going to reset you for 60 days.
Albert, it's gonna be October 10th.
Okay. And Judge, I will speak with my client about tardiness, and I will be here earlier next time, Your Honor.
You're excused at this time, Mr. Acevedo.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
Have we ever heard from Ms. Levenstein, Linda?
Yes, she's in County Court 4 on a trial setting, and she said she'll be with us in a bit.
And how about Mike Sawyer?
All I know is that he's in the 290th.
All right.
And Mr. Cantrell is back, Judge.
You ever have Mr. Woods, Bertram Woods' client show up?
Yes, sir. I believe his client.
Jennifer Martz. Yes, she did show up.
She did, yes.
What's the story?
Both of his cases were reset.
All right.
Oh, it's hot in here.
Mr. Anthony Cantrell.
Hi, Judge. On Jolyn Vasquez, I've conferred with the state. They've given me an offer. I'd like to get another date to go over it in more depth with my client, please.
629138, Judge.
Page 1.
And then she also has 663326.
Yes.
Right. So how much time you need?
A short recess, Your Honor, 30 days or less.
How about 21 days?
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right.
August 29th.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Take care.
Bye.
Jesse Palacios.
Yes.
You're not supposed to be lying down during court.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Who's your attorney?
It is.
Brenda Levenstein.
Okay, she should be getting on then. You need to wait for her.
Have you heard from Richard Garcia?
No, sir, I haven't.
Patrick Montgomery?
No, and he was at, I believe, jail court, but
Right.
I haven't heard from him.
How about Shannon Locke?
No, I haven't heard from him either, but I will be calling him. Yeah.
Linda, do you know when Mr. Jose Montenegro Ramos was set to?
Yes, October 3rd.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge Longoria, may I be excused to log out of Zoom, restart my computer, and then come back on, please? I'm having trouble accessing my email. Judge,
Yo,
may I be excused to log out of Zoom and then log back on once my
of
computer
course.
starts?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Judge, on 678-174, page 5, Shannon Locke. It's reset because it's a plea for next Wednesday on the 17th at 1. Oh, for the 11th, okay.
Did Rodriguez Garcia show up?
I don't think so, and I think it was because I was gonna reset it with Shannon because we weren't gonna do the plea today because we're doing them on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So I
Alright.
told him I was gonna get back with him, and then I found out he needs an interpreter too. So,
Okie dokie.
okay. Okay, who else? Richard Garcia. Hi, Todd.
Hello.
Okay, so I need to put you in a breakout room, right, with,
Yeah, it didn't work the first time, but we'll try it again.
okay, give me a second. Room 1, Todd.
Same one.
And Kyle, can you go into room 1 with Todd?
Definitely. I will do it right now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, now my system doesn't want to respond. This is weird.
Judge Todd is back.
Pardon me?
Judge Todd Coronado is back.
What you got, Todd?
Judge, I just confirmed with Kyle. He asked me about a 2-week reset to get a hold of the complainant.
You get 1 week. Otherwise, there'll be a warrant.
I get a date certain right now or through email or?
Linda will give you the date.
1 week, August the 17th.
What's your case number?
It's 688-374, Judge. 7.
That's our case. Isabel Robinson.
Right.
Ms. Robinson has been on Zoom this whole time, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Isabel Robinson has been here on time.
Yes, Judge, they checked in here at the courtroom, then they logged on to Zoom successfully, and then that's when they left, after they showed me that they logged on successfully, and they've been on since then.
Right.
Yes, I'm here. Sit down. Yeah, just
Where are you at, Todd?
Where am I at right now?
Well, what you got? She's your client's been here all along.
Yeah. I could, if I get the reset, I believe she said August 17th, and if I go in the breakout room with my client, talk to her, and then we'd be excused from there. Is that okay?
That'll be fine, Linda.
Yes, sir.
So Linda, August 17th, right?
Yes, Todd.
Okay, maybe dispose it before then, but that we'll go with that. And then if I can go to breakout room with Miss Robinson and then be excused from there, that'll work for me.
Sure.
Sure.
Go to 1 and I will put her in 1 with you.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
thank
right.
you. Thank you so much.
Ms. Robinson, you need to go to breakout room 1 with your attorney. Palacios. What? Set.
It was set for it's set for this date, the 2nd, but he thought it was TIC with a felony. He had 3 misdemeanors.
Who
They
is
dropped
it?
2 of them, Rudy.
Is it the defendant?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck, I don't know.
And they have, the 3rd one stayed there.
Judge Michael Sawyer is on.
Michael,
Good morning, Your Honor. I'd called in before 9 to let your court know that I was in a district court. I wound it up, I'm on your court, sir.
what are you doing on your case?
We're here in Juan Salcedo. I would like to confer with the ADA, Your Honor.
I'll talk to you about it, sir.
All right.
Room 2.
We're, okay, I've got the ADA and he's got the file, so we're good. We're gonna break up room 2.
Mr. Palacios, please sit up. Thank you.
Yes, I guess we are actually, I don't know, because I think we have one that Hey, Linda, can I ask a question? Oh, I'm on mute.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got an email from George Schaefer talking about a William Johnson. Do you have this guy's case number?
Is he on today's docket?
Yeah, he says his case was reset today until the 22nd of August.
William Johnson, yeah, it's reset to August 22nd.
What's his case number, please? Because he didn't include one in his email.
675056.
056. Okay, thank you.
Judge, Mr. Sawyer's back.
Good morning, Your Honor. I've just conferred with Mr. Vance, the ADA. I am right now emailing him a copy of a marriage license, the completion of the CATS program, and a non-prosecution affidavit by his now wife. He will be tendering a motion to dismiss his case to the court, Your Honor.
All right. Very good.
Sorry for the delay. It took me a longer time in the district court than I thought, Judge.
We were aware that you were in the 290th, so.
Common courtesy, want to call, let you know where I was at.
All right, you take care. Good to see
Take
you.
care, Judge. If anything else, I'll call the court. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Linda,
Yes, sir.
have we heard from any more from?
Yeah,
Ms. Levenstein?
Mr. Garcia should be logging on. I don't know what happened. And Brenda said she was getting ready to log on herself.
Mr. Garcia is present in the courtroom.
Okay, there you go, Judge.
When did you hear from Richard Garcia?
I texted him and I just heard.
He's present in the courtroom, Judge.
Mr. Garcia,
I'm in the courtroom, Judge, and I can't log in, so I don't,
well, I can see you and I can hear you. What's going on with your client?
Judge, we got the felony taken care of, and so now she's got this assault bodily injury case. And if I could confer with the DA, maybe they will drop it.
The docket show, well, you got, the docket shows this is a criminal mischief.
On Andrea Isaac?
No, Judge, it's 680990.
I'm sorry, got the wrong case. I was looking at Levenstein, she's coming on.
Page 5, Judge.
Right. Okay, are you gonna confer or what are you gonna do?
Yeah, could you put me in a breakout room with one of the ADAs?
I'll have Linda do that.
Room 2. And Brenda's logging on, Judge.
Thank you.
We ever hear from Patrick Montgomery?
No, Judge. And Brenda is on.
Brenda on Linda on Montgomery's case, John Martinez,
Yes, sir.
Jose Martinez. We're gonna FTA him.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Garcia's conferring.
Yes, and Miss Brenda is on too.
Ms. Brenda.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. Where have you been?
Good morning. Well, I was in the 379th, and then I was in County Court 4 on a trial setting.
Had you busy?
And I don't think I got an email.
We hadn't heard from you.
Sorry. I don't, is it PA?
What happened? Something happened. She's gonna be logging back on, sir.
Your poor little client's been trying to fall asleep here all day, all morning long.
Judge, something happened. She got, there she is. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, now.
Brenda. She's frozen.
Mm-hmm.
Brenda Levenstein.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
I hear you now.
Okay. I'm in the building. I'm in the outer room of County Court 4.
You're in somebody's court. I can see the chair back there, recognize it. Your client's poor
Yeah,
guy's been
I'm in
trying to fall
the
asleep all morning.
little room. I'm sorry.
So what are you gonna do with your client?
I don't know what happened. Yeah,
We're having trouble with Brenda. There she is again.
yeah.
Brenda.
Yes. Do I need to move somewhere else, maybe?
Hello.
Yeah, Brenda, you might have to move somewhere else. The service on that floor is not good at all.
Okay, I'll move. I'm gonna go somewhere else.
All right. Well, you were close, Mr. Palacios. We'll have to wait a little more.
That's fine.
We were just talking about.
Hey Linda, so about the case that we talked about earlier, the special setting for Wednesday, I'm expected to hear back from the liaison within the next hour or so. Kyle, what happened with Richard Garcia? Oh, Linda, did you hear me about the special sighting? No, I'm sorry. I had to go to the restroom. So what do we? Oh, it's fine. So I'm supposed to hear back from the liaison within the next hour or so about whether or not the officers will be here for the special setting. Okay, all right. What about Richard Garcia? I have no idea. Kyle?
I'm sorry, I've been here talking to myself. I didn't realize I was on mute. Hey, yeah, just what's the cause number on that? I put notes in all these.
680990, Andrea Isaac.
Oh, I thought you said Richard Garcia. Oh, that was it. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I gave him an offer. He's supposed to be talking to her right now.
Oh, well, okay, well.
She already.
Judge Brenda's back. Oh, Brenda, your person that pled out last week, I have not forgotten about your discovery. I've just been really sick, so I'm going to send it out today. It's on my
did you
to-do
get
list.
did you get COVID too?
No, I had strep throat /
Hmm.
the flu, which is great.
Judge Brenda's back.
Hello, Brenda.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. Jesse Palacios, criminal
Right.
mischief.
Mr. Sleepy.
Yes,
Poor
sir.
guy. He's fallen asleep 2 or 3 times. You working night or what?
Yes.
Okay. Brenda, what are you gonna do this morning?
I guess I'll confer with the state.
I sure hope so. It's already after lunchtime, 12:04. Go ahead and confer and see what y'all can do between now and the next few minutes.
Breakout room
I'll
1.
talk to you on it.
1.
Ms. Luna?